Hi, first grade friends. This week we've been learning about collecting data and making graphs to match that data. So today, what I want us to do is to collect data ourselves. That's called taking a survey. So the question that I want us to collect data on today is, what is your favorite ice cream flavor? Do you like chocolate or vanilla better? So typically in school, I will have made a worksheet, a bunch of different things for us to touch and work with. Unfortunately, over the computer, we can't do that. So I'm asking families to help me out here a little bit to make a little chart for us. So the first thing, since my question is, what do you like better, chocolate or vanilla ice cream? I'm going to make a chart on my board. You can use a piece of paper, anything like that. So up top, I'm going to write the title. Do you like chocolate or vanilla ice cream? Just like books have titles, charts and graphs have titles as well, so we know what we're looking at. So I wrote, do you like chocolate or vanilla ice cream? Sorry, it's kind of bright and we're getting a glare. So after I write the title, I'm going to write my two options. The first one is chocolate. And the second is vanilla. I'm going to separate these two items with making some rows. So this is what my chart is going to look like. I'm going to take a survey to collect my data. That means I'm going to ask people their answer. So you can start with yourself. Whenever we ask our people what they like, chocolate or vanilla, we're going to use tally marks to record what they like. So just a reminder about tally marks. I'm going to show you down here. A tally mark is a straight line down, just like this. And count with me while I make 5 tally marks. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. My 5th tally mark is a seatbelt and goes across for 5. So I know just quickly looking at this that is a group of 5. All right, so I am going to start collecting my data. I'm going to start with myself. I like vanilla ice cream best. I'm a simple vanilla ice cream girl, so I'm going to write 1 tally for vanilla ice cream. All right, so I want us to each ask 5 different people about their favorite ice cream. You may have 5 people in your home. You may not. I don't, so I had to call some of my friends and family members before making this video. So my roommate, Miss Sullivan, right now she's on a walk, but she told me that her favorite ice cream is chocolate. I also called and asked my mom and my dad, and they both said chocolate also. So I'm going to put 1 tally mark by chocolate for my mom, and I'm going to put 1 tally mark by chocolate for my dad. All right, and then right now I have 1, 2, 3, 4 total people who I've asked. The last person that I asked is my friend who you guys also know, Miss Cardamon. Miss Cardamon told me that she is like me and likes vanilla ice cream the best. So I'm going to put 1 last tally under vanilla. All right, so once you've collected your data, I have asked 5 people. I am going to make another column on my chart, and then I want to write the number to match. Sorry, it looks straight when I do it. Then I want to write the number to match my tallies, so I don't have to go and actually count them. So for chocolate, I had 1, 2, 3 people who responded chocolate. For vanilla, I had 2 people respond, vanilla. So I wrote the numeral to match my data. Looking at these 2 numerals, before I even graph it, I can think about, which one did people like the most? Which did more people like? Which did they like the least? That's easy to do since I only have chocolate and vanilla right now. I only have 2 options, and I only asked 5 people. So I can see that, 3 is a bigger number than 2. More people picked chocolate. So I want you to just think about that with your survey today. Tomorrow, we're going to go and take this to one more step further. So today, again, I want you to survey your friends and family. If they're in person at your house, great. If you have to call them, that is okay too. If they like chocolate or vanilla ice cream, better. And then I want you to make a chart like this and use tally marks to mark people's responses. I want you to at least ask 5 people total. So I asked myself, Miss Sullivan, my mom, my dad, and Miss Cardamon. I want you to ask at least 5 people. If you have more than that, that's awesome and perfectly fine. Then, when you've finished collecting your tallies, you're going to write the numeral. And your finished chart should look something like this. It won't look the exact same because I bet that the people you ask will give different answers than the people I asked. We all like different things. And that's the point of taking surveys and collecting data. So when you're done with that, make your chart, and I would love for you to post a picture of your chart on the next slide. And I made a copy of all the slides so you can add your picture in, and I will be able to see it. See you soon, first grade.